Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time that you are watching. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you how you can get data at a very cheap price. Yes, for example, you can even get 1 GB of data for 261 naira. Meanwhile, if you want to get it from the network provider, it can be 1,000 naira or 900 and something naira. But today I'm going to share it to you how you can even get it for only 261 naira. You can even get 100 MB that you can get it from network provider at the cost of 48 naira instead of 100 naira, but 48 naira, and also even 300 MB. What I only want you to do, if at the end of this video you find this video very helpful, please don't fail to give it a thumb up and then click on the subscribe button so that you can see others videos. You can share it to your family, friends, and even loved ones so that they can also learn at the same time and then reject high cost of data. So without much wasting of our time, let's jump into the video. Welcome back. Then the first thing that you have to do is for you to launch your favorite browser. So in this case, I'm using the Chrome browser here. When you launch your Chrome browser, then you go to the search bar and then search omdata.com.ng. Then when you search it, you click on the search and then bam, it will open. So this platform here is an amazing platform that will even give you the opportunity for you to reject high cost of data plans. It offers you the most affordable and most cheapest data. Yes, Airtime, DSTV, GoTV, StarTime subscriptions. Then for you to do any transaction here, you will see two buttons here, the register and the login button. But first of all, if you are a new user here, what you need to do is for you to click on the register first. Yes, you need to have an account. So you click on the register button here, then wait for it to load. After loading, what you need to do is for you to put in your first name. You put in your first name, put it in your last name, and then also your phone number, and then you put your email address. Then after that, you now click on the continue button. Then here will appear. What you need to do next is for you to select your state. So right now, in my case, I'm in Akwa Ibom state. So you choose the state and then you set in a password for yourself. For example, that's my password, and then you also confirm the password. Then you set in the PIN. This PIN is a 4-digit number that you will use when you are about to do any transaction. Be it you want to use it to buy airtime, data, cable subscription. So without this 4-digit PIN, you won't be able to do that. So what you need to do is for you to put a PIN that you can remember very well. So in my case, I'm putting a PIN here that I can remember. 4. So it will be 4 digits. And then referral here means someone that recommend this platform for you. So if you have, you can put it here, but if you don't have, you can just skip it. Then the next thing is to click on the register button. When you click on the register button, there will be a confirmation email. Yes, an email sent to your email address. There will be a code there for you to use and then verify your account. But I already have an account here. So in my case, I'm going to log in. So what I will do in this case is to use the login button. Then after creating your account, you have to log in, and then when you log in, you need to put your phone number, and then you put in your password. So I'm putting in my password here. Then you click on the login button. Then it will take you to this page here. So here is the dashboard. Here is where you can do whatsoever that you want to do. You can fund your wallet, you can check your balance. As you can see, this is my balance as at now. You can also buy airtime, buy data, and then check your history. Then if you have any challenge or anything that you don't understand, you can even contact the support, and they will eager ready to help you out. Then as you can see, you can buy airtime, buy data, cable TV, electricity, jumping, and the rest of it as it goes. So since we are here to buy data for ourselves, so the next thing that you have to do is for you to choose on the data. You can choose it at this point, or you can choose it here. So I'm going to choose on any of these. So you tap it and wait for it to load. After it loads, their aims is for you to help you to reject high cost of data plan. You can buy cheap data plan here. Then the first thing that you have to do when you reach this place is for you to choose on your network. Are you using MTN? Are you using Glo? Are you using 9Mobile? Is it Airtel? So you choose on your preferred network. So in my case, I'm going to choose the Airtel network. After choosing on the network, then you select on the type, but in this case you click on the corporate. After that, you select on the plan. As you can see, 1 GB of data is only 261 naira, and it is 30 days. 261 naira, 30 days. Is that not cheap? Whereas if you want to buy it from the network provider, they are giving you 1 gig of data, it can be 900 and something or 1000 naira. So in this case, you get it for only 261 naira. And then as you can see, the 100 MB in which network provider would give you for 100 naira, but here you can get it for only 48 naira. As you can see, it's not even up to 50 naira, and this one is for 7 days. And meanwhile, if you get it from the network provider, it will be only 1 day only. And then the next one is 500 MB. You can get it for 165 naira, 30 days. Then you also see the 300 MB. You get it for 96 naira and also 30 days. So since I have already have enough of data here, so I'm going to choose on the 100 MB. Then the next thing that you do is for you to put in the phone number that you want to subscribe the data to. So I put in my phone number, and then if you see this, you can ignore it. Just ignore. That means it doesn't identify your number yet. But let's say, for example, it does not identify this number, but in your case it may identify if it is Glo, Airtel, or 9Mobile. So in my case, I'll put another phone number so that you can see how it identifies number. In that case, I'm going to change. I'm going to use my Glo line, so I'm going to change it to Glo right here, and then select the plan again, and then select the plan type, for example. But I don't want to subscribe using this Glo line, so I'll then change the phone number from here. As you can see, it identifies that this number is Glo line. So that is what I just wanted to let you see, how it identifies phone number. So I will switch back to the Airtel line that I want to use. So I switch back to Airtel, select the plan type, and then select plan. I will use 100 MB, and then get out this phone number, then put the Airtel line, And then after that, you then click on the buy data. You tap on the buy data. When you tap on the buy data, it's going to ask you again, are you sure that you are about to purchase Airtel 100 MB, which is 48 naira and 7 days plan of 48 naira for the phone number? Do you wish to continue? Then if you still wish to continue, you can click on the yes button. Then this is where you have to put the 4-digit pin that you created earlier. In my case, I'm going to put in the pin. So now put in my pin. Then you now click on the continue button. When you click on the continue button, you wait for it to load. Bam bam, transaction successful. Small time now, you will see it will appear in my text message. It won't take long, it will appear. Fine, as you can see, that is a text message. As you can see, you have been gifted 100 data MB. So that is it, it appears. So now this is where you can use this data to do whatsoever that you want to do. As you can see, it has the transaction ID, the service is data, purchase of it, and this is your invoice. This is your invoice. So you can even save this invoice, or you can do whatsoever that you want to do. So guys, thank you very much for watching, paying attention. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more additional videos, and also share it to your family, friends, and even your loved ones, so that they can also reject high cost of data bundle. Please, I'm begging you, share it to them. Don't use it alone. Please don't be stingy. Please have a nice day. Bye.